Imagine a world where every parking spot serves as a convenient power source, allowing individuals to seamlessly charge their electric vehicles at home. As more people embrace sustainability, some are deciding whether this is the right choice for them. If this is you, we're here to help you explore the considerations of installing an EV charger in your multi-residential condominium, starting with several notable benefits. Convenience. Home charging is the preferred method for EV owners, providing a convenient way to charge their vehicles overnight. Increased property value. EV infrastructure and level 2 chargers enhance a condo's appeal, leading to increased property value, resulting in a quick return on investment. Scalability. Condos can prepare for the future of EV charging by implementing scalable solutions for level 2 charging station deployments. And software management. Proper software ensures effective power management and billing. This helps track station users and remit payments back to the condo corporation for the electricity used. Metro EV has been helping residents take this step forward and supports 2 types of multi-residential or commercial charging stations. Community charging, where EV chargers are installed in visitor parking spots to be shared by multiple drivers, or dedicated charging, where each driver gets their own EV charger in their dedicated parking spot. Lastly, let's talk about power management. Metro EV offers customized solutions for level 2 charging station deployment, taking into account the unique needs of each facility. One common challenge is ensuring adequate power availability, especially in older multi-residential buildings that were not designed for EV charging. Power management is key to maximizing charger capacity and future-proofing your building. Metro EV assesses your electrical capacity to determine the number of EV charging stations your property can accommodate, ensuring a seamless transition to level 2 charging. In a world where sustainability and convenience go hand in hand, Metro EV is here to guide you through the considerations of installing an EV charger in your multi-residential condominium. Whether you opt for community charging or dedicated charging, we're here to support your transition to electric mobility. Make the eco-conscious choice with Metro EV and power up your property's potential.